Hello, I'm Dr. Sedigheh Shakib, working as an Associate Professor and Deputy Head of English Language Teaching and Educational Management Department at Central Asian University. We are so excited to invite you to apply to our program. You may wonder what makes our program different from others. The first reason, we instruct you on how to implement the latest and innovative teaching method. On top of that, you will be provided with a lot of opportunities to practice hands-on teaching at public and private schools in Uzbekistan. And also, you will be provided with the essential leadership skills to manage an educational institution. In our department, you will have a chance to engage with our passionate and committed professors, join IELTM program, and pave the way for a bright future.